going?
Awesome.
Good. Welcome to Skydive DeLand. We're gonna go jump out of a plane. Why are you doing that?
Part of my midlife crisis.
Midlife crisis. What a perfect excuse. Who do you have jumping with you today that you know?
Maggie.
Hi, Maggie.
And Casey.
Hi, Casey. Cool. How do you know them?
My daughter-in-law and my daughter.
Awesome. Cool. Got the whole family.
Yes.
We are about ready to go. Midlife crisis engaged. Airplane's pulling up. Is there anything you want to say to your friends and family before we go?
See you when I get down.
All right. We'll see you guys out there. Let's go have some fun. Yeah, girl! What do you think, Laura? You can put that back up on your shoulder like a backpack. He'll take it off of you a little bit later. What'd you think?
That was awesome.
You like it?
That was great.
I'm glad you had a good time. Thanks for coming to Skydive DeLand. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Yeah.